Hi, my name is YK Chen. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to prolong your Hotmelt melter's lifespan and optimize your machine performance. For easy understanding, let me explain with something that you can relate to your daily life. I believe you have a car and you use your car every day. After certain mileage, you will send your car for service. You've been doing this because you know if you do not service your car, it will not break down immediately, but it's going to damage your car engine slowly, and one day when it breaks down, it will cost you more than you can imagine on the repair. This is exactly the same for a Hotmelt melters. You need to do servicing. How? Just like you change your engine oil and oil filter for your car. For a melter, you need to use cleaning oil. The function of the cleaning oil is to dilute all the residual, all the carbonizations in your tank and flush it out to prevent it from damaging your tank, your hose and your head. You also need to change the tank filter. If your filter is fully blocked, it will burden your pump and it will affect your pump performance as well. This cleaning oil is applicable for all brands of melters. Some brands will advise you that to use Hotmelt glue to do the flushing and claim that the effect is the same. Let me just explain to you. Have you heard of a phrase, blind leads the blind? Use your common sense. If you use the same media to flush the same media, does it make sense to you? You get my point? So you need to use cleaning oil to do a cleaning job. For more information, do not hesitate to contact me or my team, and stay tuned for the next video on the proper steps when you're servicing your melters. Thank you.